Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can connect Spotify account with your OnlyFans account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is drag top corner, then click on settings, and just scroll down below, and you're gonna see Spotify account. You want to click connect, and just wait, and okay, agree, and voila. Let's just wait. And here we have it, Spotify song. I can choose Celebration Logic, which is wonderful song. And top Spotify artists, I can go with I don't know, Logic here, and Pendulum, The Siege is good too, and Alta. And I can go done. And this is how you can easily connect your Spotify account with OnlyFans. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.